pleasure. Hey guys, we're on our way to Goa. We're halfway there and it's early in the morning, 6:30. So hope you like this vlog. Let's get started with the vlog. So this is my dada who's doing the driving today. And this is us, Mama and me. And my sister is sleeping in the back seat. So let's get started with this vlog, us going to Goa. Hope you like this vlog. And now enjoy the vlog. So guys, we are off of the highway and now going into the interior roads. So this is our view now. So as you can see, the road is covered with greenery on both the sides and it looks very pleasant and beautiful. We are at the Amboli waterfall and we are here to take a photo. So Dada, please do that. Please. This is the top of it, but we took a photo down of it. So now we are going to take a photo on top of it. So this was our waterfall view, guys. Doesn't it look amazing? Now we are going to share some pics we clicked here. So those were the pics, guys. Now let us meet you at the beach. Millionaire house there.
Oh, see, he came to say hi outside. See, yeah, he's coming out.
Yeah, it's a millionaire crab house. Oh no,
See, he's breathing.
Waves are coming.
See, bubbles are coming.
The waves are also coming. I think there are waves.
See, bubbles are coming. Bubbles.
Bubbles! I think he's talking underwater.
See, he's come out.
Yay! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! They are alive.
So he's going away now.
And I want you not touching. No touching me.
Go, take it out. Catch the down.
Go!
Go.
I caught it. I
Sure,
caught
sure.
the shoe. Put it in the shoe.
Hey.
Yay! So now you.
Leon, come here.
What?
See her down. How much shells are there?
That's a treasure hunt! Treasure?
So that was my son, guys, who had insisted on doing the vlog for me. So right now we are at the Udo beach and this is the sunset view. And you can see how beautiful this looks. So I hope you have liked my very first vlog. If you have liked it, then please do like, subscribe and share. So let's meet again with yet another interesting video. Until then, have a great day ahead.
Enjoy!